Righto, so what we've done here this morning is we've run two guide wires. The reason behind that is you really need probably 2 points on this post to get it lined up. Ideally what you're doing is you've got your 2 points on your post, and then sort of slide it down. You want to set that post in the ground, so it's just standing there like that. You can then grab your sleeve over the top. And what you're doing here is you're making sure that your feet down the bottom here, you've got two fins. There's a short fin and a long fin. And the long fin's got the holes in it. The holes are in line with your fence line, so that's what you've got to, or what you can use to line up your fence. So what we've got here, and you just give it a slight tweak, and then you just keep an eye on things as you're ramming your post. Your ram will go straight over the top of both of these. So now you've got that up right. Move your wires out with your body, and then use this time while that's sort of out of the feet, if you've got some sort of movement in your fence post, to re-square off your fence. And what that sleeve's used to do is to take the spring out of the fiberglass, gives it a little bit more stiffness in the post. With this post we have got specific clips, no tools required to load these glass reinforced nylon clips, and they simply, there's got grooves in the post, and that's where your wire heights are. You put them on either side, encapsulating your wire in those grooves and inside the clip itself, and simply just snap them on. So another tool that we've got for the system is a tie down for your hollows or your dips in the ground. This is not necessarily a large dip, but for training purposes. So what we're doing is putting your wire on, giving that a bend, then you've got your handle, thread that wire up through your handle, engage that in with your tightener. So you've got to put your tightener in, or sorry, your tie down in first. The reason being, you've got a handle in the way here, so you can't really put your post in first because you're going to end up not being able to turn the handle. So we've got a mark where we want to put the post, and then you put this in beside it, and simply screw that into the ground. And then the handle just pulls out of the ground, leaving your tightener in the ground there. Put that out of the way. Same again. Set your wires. So what we're going to do here, put the clip onto the post, down the bottom here where the wire is. then you thread the wire through, like so. One tie there, back through. Yeah. Another piece of kit for the system is a pressure plate, just a piece of galv steel with a section cut out of the centre of it, which is in the same sort of lineup with the short and the long fins on your post. So you work out where your hump's going to be, and this will give you more surface area for that post to sit on to stop the sink into the ground. So we've selected this section here. So what we're going to demonstrate here is if you've put the post in the wrong place, or you're at the end of a season and you've got lease ground, or at the end of your lease, that you can take these posts out with the lifter attachment that we've got in the system. It's just the attachment. We've just used a post puller that you can buy from most shops. Just simply post that on the ground. You've got two little hooks there, they go either side of the post. Get that down nice and close, and then what you want to do is just anchor that and then pull. Get it simply out of the ground.